I have noticed that as I have been mowing the grass, that it's been tearing things a little bit. So really, all I'm doing really quickly here is we're just gonna pull the blade off of the lawnmower. We're gonna sharpen that up. We're gonna take a look at how much of a difference it makes when it comes to the actual cut on the lawn. Hope you enjoy. Okay, we got a 9/16.
Yeah.
We're getting ready to put her back on here.
We're putting on there.
Yep, so now we're gonna put it back on in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Know that rotates like that. I'm gonna set her back on here. Pull my bolt out. Yep, I'm gonna take the bolt out, get her all set up, nice and square like that, and I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna use a 1/2" impact to make this go much faster. Already plugged in. Interesting. Got power. Nice and tight on there. Okay, just got done mowing the front yard. Pretty excited with how the grass looks. Noticed that it's a little dry in a couple areas. And then I need to get the irrigation set up out here. One of the long-term projects I've been thinking about is maybe putting in some type of irrigation. Probably just in the front, the back. I mean, it's more like for us, I don't really care about it, but this has got some curb or visual appeal, so. Haven't figured out how to do that though, because the water line comes in over here and tees into the house, and I don't know how I would get water over to this side. Could get some to the backyard. Who knows, something I'm thinking about, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day and enjoy this wonderful, wonderful still spring weather before summer hits.